Right guys, so in this video I'm just going to very quickly show you something that a couple of people have been asking for, which is teleportation. This is a very easy one to add, so we'll add that. So to start with, I am going to put another platform over here just so we can put the teleportation on there. I'm going to grab a new sprite. I want something to show where this is. I'll make this purple, why not? So this should be fairly simple. That is blinking tiny, so let's make that a little bit bigger. Bob this here, and straight away the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to add a box collider 2D to this. Set this to is trigger, and I am going to add a tag like we've done before, and this is going to be called teleport. Copy that, save that. Nice and simple. So the next thing I'm going to add, I'm going to create a brand new script. This is going to be a script with literally one line in there. Teleportation. I'm going to open this. Let's see which software it's going to load it in. Looks like Visual Studio. I've got about 3, so it just keeps all opening on random ones. It has opened, it's just on a different monitor at the moment. Give it a second. If you do use Visual Studio, it always takes forever to load up, so just remember that. While that's loading up, I'll just quickly explain the situation with the next few videos. The next few videos are going to be interesting ones because essentially you may not have to do them all, which means you're going to have to watch very carefully to see what code's added in that video as opposed to any videos you may have missed or not wanted to do. So if I drag this down, which it does not want it to come down, you can see that we got the teleportation script up. Nice and simple this. 3 lines essentially, or 3 words on one line. Public transform teleport location. Obviously with a teleporter there's more than one place. You need to hit somewhere and then get teleported somewhere else, or it kind of wouldn't work. So what this is doing is this is just saving a location. That's all it's doing in there. So that's that bit done. Right, so if we check out the character movement controller, which we've set up in previous videos and stuff, we're going to set up another on trigger enter. And it's nice and simple, this one. So we're going to go with if other dot compare tag, just like we've got above. I'm going to paste in the teleport, the way that obviously we've set it up in the tag itself. And we're going to set transform. Obviously this is the transform of our character. Dot position equals other dot get component. Oh, not spelled like that. And we're going to look for the teleportation. I'm just looking at how I've spelled that up there. I think I spelled it right. And then open bracket, close bracket, dot. And then we need to find this here, which is obviously just called teleport location. Give it a second. Dot position. Because basically what we're saying there is if we hit this, the current position is the position defined in the teleporter itself. So if we save that, compile all that, we'll go back into here, and what I'll do is I'll get this new sprite that we made before. I'm just going to make a copy of this, and I'm also going to remove the box collider because I don't need it. We need to set this tag that we set before, put the teleportation in there, drag the new transform for the teleportation location, which sounds really cool. And then hopefully, all being well, this will work. So we should be able to go over to here, and there we go. We are teleporting from one to the next. So as I said before, teleportation, a really easy thing to add. just make sure you don't add a teleporter to that, because you'll just be constantly teleporting between the two. If you're going to set up a two-way teleportation, you're going to have to set up some form of bool, or just don't set one up nearby. Have like a receiver and a sender, that kind of thing. But yeah, so that's it. That is a nice quick video on teleportation, and in the next video we will look at something different. So catch you there.